Hello guys, you're welcome to my space. So on today's video, we are going to be learning how to create a logo design using Pixellab. Okay, there are two different ways you can use to create logos on Pixellab. One is the one if you can use shape tool to manipulate it, that's good. And another one is the one of Bezier tool. Okay, using Bezier tool to create the vector. Okay, if you don't know how to use Bezier tool, I'll drop the link of introduction to Bezier tool vectorization, okay, on Pixellab, so you can go and check it out. It's in the description of this video, so you go check it out. So on this video, we are going to be learning how to create logo using shape tools. Okay, a simple logo we are going to be creating today, we are going to be using shape tool to manipulate that. So you just follow me and see how I do it. Okay, because I won't be using voice on this particular video, and you are going to, if you look very well, you're going to see how I do it, and you can be able to do it the same way. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I will click and then import my image that I snapped. Okay, so image that I sketched, okay, I will be using it like this. Okay, and then I will click it this way, and here I have what I got. Okay, I won't be using voice on this video, so let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video content like this. Thank you. So what we are doing now is to group it together. Okay, we are trying to group it together, so that's what I'm doing now. So I'll just click here and then say you want to merge the object, and then I will merge them together, so they are one object now. So this is what I have at the end of the day. So let's just compare what we sketched and what we vectorized. So let's see if they are not the same. Okay, you see they are the same thing. So I'm going to just add colors. And one thing again you have to keep in mind is when you are creating logos, also know how to create your colors also, so that it not look off. So I'm going to create something like this. Okay. For this first gradient, it's going to be here. I just want to create something. So I'm going to go here and then put this off. Okay, and then now I can go to my background tool and then go to color, then change it to something more interesting. Okay, I think it's not bad. Black is not bad. So when you are creating a logo, you have to, when you are trying to select your color, make sure that it's going to look good on black, okay, and also look good on white. Okay, on white and black, most of them must appear good and presentable and visually appealing. Okay, so that's the basic things you must keep in mind when you're working with colors on logos. So after this, now I'm going to select this. I just want to apply my emboss. Let me see if my emboss is going to work on my tab. So here I'm going to click on it. Okay, it's not bad. And then okay, at the end of the day, we have this logo on our screen. So it's looking quite similar to what, or the same thing with what we have here. So let's just compare and contrast and see what we sketched and what we have vectorized and see if they resemble each other somehow. So, and if you ask me, I say they are similar to each other. So, and we have actually been able to vectorize what we sketched. So logo vectorization is all about, when you sketch it, can you be able to put it into a visual presentation like this? So, and this is what we are talking about when we say we can create logo or create vectors using Pixellab. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, my name is Son of Man. See you guys on my next video. Goodbye from here. Namaste.